হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, জেই মেকানিক্যাল ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে তোমাদের সকলকে স্বাগত। যারা আইটিআই ওয়েল্ডার নিয়ে পড়াশোনা করেছো এবং যারা চাকরির পরীক্ষার জন্য, সরকারি চাকরির পরীক্ষার জন্য যারা প্রস্তুতি নিচ্ছ, তাদের কথা মাথায় রেখেই আমি আজকে 100টা ওয়েল্ডিংয়ের ওপর কোশ্চেন অ্যান্সার নিয়ে এসেছি। এটা পার্ট এ, এরপর আরও পার্ট বি, পার্ট সি করে আরও 2-3টি এপিসোড আরও হবে এর ওপর। তো এই সব কোশ্চেনগুলো ডিপ্লোমা হোল্ডাররাও চাইলে নোট ডাউন করে রাখতে পারো। এগুলো প্রতিটি পরীক্ষার জন্যই খুব উপযোগী, সে অর্ডিন্যান্স ফ্যাক্টরি হোক, রেল হোক, ডিআরডিও, ইসরো, যে কোনো পরীক্ষার উপযোগী। চলো তবে শুরু করা যাক। তোমরা আমার সাথে সাথে রিভাইজ করো একবার, তাহলে মনে থাকবে এবং পরে খাতায় নোট ডাউন করে নিও। চলো শুরু করা যাক। 1 নম্বর কোশ্চেন, অক্সিজেন টু অ্যাসিটিলিন রেশিও ইন কেস অফ নিউট্রাল ফ্লেম ইজ 1:1. Arc blow occurs in arc welding when straight polarity is used. 3 number, forge welding is best suited for wrought iron. Grey cast iron is best welded by gas welding, oxyacetylene. Arc stability is better with AC welding. The maximum flame temperature occurs at the inner cone. The temperature range for soldering process is 180 ডিগ্রি সেন্টিগ্রেড থেকে 250 ডিগ্রি সেন্টিগ্রেড। Carburizing flame has 3 zones, neutral flame has 2 zones. 10 number, iron oxide and aluminium are mixed in which proportion in thermit welding? 3:1. Aluminium container used for food industry are welded by MIG. The temperature of inner luminous cone of neutral flame is order of 3500 degree centigrade. The selection of nozzle for pipe welding will depends upon wall thickness. More spatters are due to excess current. In projection welding, what action is taken after molten pool is formed? Welding current is turned off. 16 number, argon is inert gas. A soldering iron bit is made of copper. Flash butt welding is which type of welding? Resistance welding. While gas cutting in nozzle should be 5 mm away from work. Which type of fire extinguisher is used in a welding shop? CO2 extinguisher. 21 number, in arc welding electrode is connected to positive pole. The waved beads are necessary mostly in vertical position welding. Preheating is essential in welding cast iron. Which gauze are used in tungsten inert gas welding? Argon and helium. The type of flame to be used for bronze welding is oxidizing flame. Nozzle are manufacturing from copper or copper base alloy because it is dissipates heat quickly. Lack of penetration is due to low current. Steel rail are welded by thermit welding. Aircraft body is কিসের হয়? Riveted. During overhead or welding it is more convenient to use helmet. A seamless pipe has কি হয়? No joint. seamless pipe কোনো জয়েন্ট থাকে না। The easy position to weld is flat position. Which is the suitable angle of blow pipe to the line of weld for gas welding? A lap fillet joint in vertical position 75 degree to 80 degree. Which fluxes is used for brazing mild steel sheet? Borax. The width of the weaved bead is restricted to 3 times the diameter of electrode. Oxyacetylene flame cuts metal by its intensive oxidation. Thermite welding is a form of fusion welding. 38. When working with a transformer set, electrode used is heavy coated. 39. Electrode gets consumed in which type of welding process? Arc welding process. 40. Small diameter pipe end cutting may be done by pipe cutter. 41. Weld spatter refers to welding defect. 42. Steel rails are welded by thermite welding. 43. Why flux covered electrodes are backed before taking for welding? The remove moisture from flux coating. In arc welding, the source of heat is electricity. 45. Which operating variable in submerged arc welding controls the arc length, welding voltage? 46. Arc welding uses which type of electric supply, both AC and DC? 47. Two sheets of same metal but different thickness can be butt welded by changing the size of the one electrode. 48. The electroslag welding is accomplished by maintaining a hot molten metal pool between plates. Special non-destructive test is magnetic particle test. 50. A freshly painted layer may be dried electronically by dielectric welding. 51. Laser welding finds widest application in electronic industry. 52. The edge of plate melted off defect is very common mostly in lap and corner joint. In arc welding, eyes need to be protected against infrared and ultraviolet rays. In resistance welding, voltage used for heating is 6 to 10 volt. Open circuit voltage for arc welding is of the order of 40 to 95 volt. When welding is going on, arc voltage is order of 15 volt to 40 volt. If the walls of the pipe are less than 4 mm thick, the edge may be edge joint. 58. TIG welding is best suited for welding aluminium. 59. The acetylene cylinder is fitted with a material saturated with acetone. 60. Soldering iron is made of wedge shape in order to retain heat. 61. Cylinder in which oxygen gas is stored are seamless steel cylinder. The phenomena of weld decay occurs in stainless steel. The melting point of filler rod in comparison to base metal in bronze weld is lower. In arc welding operation, the current value is decided by size of electrode. 65. The carburizing flame as compared to oxidizing flame is more luminous. 66. In arc welding, arc is created between the electrode and work by contact resistance. The amount of current necessary in resistance welding is of the order of 4.2 থেকে 6.2 kVA per centimeter square. It is advisable to keep carbon backing bar because it helps to control the molten metal. 69. Inner welding arc is created between the electrode and work by contact resistance. 70. The amperage to be used in arc welding is dependent upon electrode rod thickness. 71. The choice of flux depend upon the type of material to be joined. 72. Arc length inner welding should be equal to rod diameter. The small metal particles which are thrown out of the arc during welding are called spatters. 74. The gap between the plates in butt welding is given to control distortion, prevent gas pocket, control penetration. 75. Gamma ray done at place where electricity is not available. Gamma ray test, a quick and accurate method of determining nozzle size is to measure the orifice. For a fabrication made of 2 mm sheet, the job is connected to positive. It is pressure welding process in which the heat is obtained from the resistance offered to the flow of current. Spot welding. Transformer used in arc welding is step down transformer. As the arc increase, the operating voltage will increase. To join different types of welding joint, different types of weld are used. Groove welds are used to join two members as butt joint. The distance between the tip of the electrode and the parent metal where the arc strikes is called arc length. If too little cutting oxygen is supplied, the metal will fail to cut completely. 84. Factors affecting gas cutting heavy section is preheating temperature gradient across the thickness of the metal. 85. The most melt equally on side of the inner cone of the flame if you keep blow pipe and filter rod angle at 70 degree centigrade. 70 degree. Which test you will select to detect the actual location of an internal defect? X-ray test. A metal bar may heated electronically by induction heating. Gamma rays are produced by cobalt 60. Which type of defect is detected by the nick break test on a T-fillet weld? Lack of fusion. The purpose of inserting wire between the edge of the pipes while taking butt weld is maintain uniform root gap. High frequency for induction heating can be generated by spark gap oscillator. This technique generally used. This technique means 90, question number 90, to make welded joint in all positions and various sizes of thin welded pipe. Leftward technique. 93. The advantage of resistance welding is reduced distortion and higher production rate. 94. The cut shows grooves and has deep drag line. It is due to tip too close to cut surface. A rectifier for welding has voltage or current characteristics as dropping. Which type of file is used to removal of lead? Tinker's file. In atomic hydrogen welding, the electrode is made of tungsten. 98. Sometime in electric arc welding or gives out more spatters. It is due to high welding current. In friction welding, the type of bonding taking place between the ends of the two rods welded is by which action? Forging action. 100 number question. In CO2 welding, a small diameter bare wire electrode without flux coating can be used for single V butt joint. What is the suitable angle for V groove? 45 degree. তো আজকে এই পর্যন্তই। যদি তোমাদের এই ভিডিওটা ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই একটা লাইক করো আর চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনকে প্রেস করে দিও যাতে এর পরের ভিডিও নোটিফিকেশন তোমরা খুব সহজেই পেয়ে যেতে পারো। থ্যাংক ইউ।